Okay, so now you put the setting exponential curve fitting. Okay, put the setting exponential curve fitting. Exponential curve fitting. Okay, so what is our aim? To fit an exponential curve of the form, to fit an exponential curve of the form y equal to, okay, a e power bx, y equal to a e power bx to the given data, to the given data x1 y1 x2 y2 and so on xn yn. So we want to fit a straight exponential curve. Okay, so if you know normal equations for this exponential curve fitting, then using normal equations you can find out the unknowns a and b. Okay, so what is given? Y equal to a e power bx. All of you listen carefully. Okay, so we want to fit a curve of the form y equal to a e power bx. This curve has to be the best fit to the given data. Okay, so ln a plus ln e power bx. Okay, so this implies that ln y is equals to ln a plus bx, because log a is 1. Now for the time being I will say this as capital Y equal to a plus bx, a plus bx, where what is y? ln y. What is x? Capital X is nothing but small x. Okay, so then what is b? Okay, or to avoid this, let me write as it is. Small x is small x. We shall write as it is because we are not doing any change to this. Okay, I'll write as it is, bx as it is. Okay, so y equal to log y and capital A equals to ln A, ln. Okay, so what kind of equation it is looking like? What kind of equation it is looking like?
Y equal to x
Straight
plus
line,
c.
sir.
It is looking like a naught plus a1x, right? So y equal to a naught plus a1x is nothing but a straight line equation, and you know writing normal equations for a straight line, right? So you write like that. Okay, so let us call this as equation 1, call this as equation 2. Okay, equation 2. So write down the normal equations for equation 2. Normal equations for 2 are, can you tell me what are the normal equations? N into a
A
naught.
naught.
In this case, a naught is capital A plus, am I right?
Yes, sir.
B into sigma xi
Okay.
is equal to sigma ya. Okay, so and what is the next one? A into sigma xi plus uh, plus b into sigma xi square equal to sigma xi into capital I. Am I right? So that means what are the normal equations for 1? So okay, we can find out this. What is the log? What do you mean by yi? Sigma yi is nothing but a log yi. Do you agree? So this is nothing but sigma xi into ln ya. Okay. So what are the columns you have to prepare? X column will be given. So therefore you can compute sigma xi. Y column will be given. Corresponding to y column, you create log y column. Then you take sum of that column, that you will get sigma log y column. So I think this is sigma. There should be sigma. Okay. Then you prepare xi square column, and you prepare xi into log yi column. Take that sum. Okay. So then after finding this capital A, and so you from this you will be finding capital A and small b. You will be finding capital A and small b. How do you get small a from capital A? Take anti-logarithm or take exponential on both sides. What will be small a? It will be e power capital A. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
And don't take base 10 logarithm. Some of the books you may see base 10. Okay, by default, unless otherwise mentioned, always take the natural logarithm. That means you have to use ln button in your calculator, not log button. Is that fine? Okay, so now shall we do some problems based on it? Okay, so take the, did you copy? So like this, you just have to take some transformation. Okay, and then convert the given equation to one of the known equation, then write down the normal equations and again transform back. Okay. Okay, so take the problem, fit a curve of the form a equal to a e power bx to the following data. So data is x, y. X values are 1, 5, 7, 9, 12. Y values are 10, 15, 12, 15, 21. So this is the kind of data you have. So what you do first, you write this derivation. Okay, you write this derivation, you copy and paste this entire thing, in your solution. Up to this you have to copy. Okay, from starting from here, copy and paste, then write down the column, right? Then prepare the columns. Okay, in your notes, please write down these steps again for the problem. Starting from here, you copy all these steps once again in your solution. Okay. So after doing that, you will prepare columns like this: xi, yi, Next ln yi xi square xi into ln y. Okay, so then use your calculator to find out the values. 157,912. Y values 10, 15, 12, 15, 21. Compute xi square. So log 10. What is log 10?
One sir.
Log 10 1. That is what I was telling. Your base is
2.302.
your base is to the base e
3025.
3026. Am I right? When you round to 4 decimals. 2.3026. Am I right?
Yes sir.
2.3026. Similarly, can you tell me log 15?
2.7080.
Next, log 12.
2.4848.
4848. Log 15.
2.7080.
Okay, sounds right. It's the same values. Log 21.
3.0425.
3.0445.
3.0445. And fortunately I know xi square. 125, 49, 81, 144. Now multiply xi and log ya. Multiply xi with log ya and tell me the values. That is 2.3026. Next, xi into log ya. What is the next value?
67.700.
67. 67. 5 into 2.7. It will be at most 15, no? It will be less than 15. You have to come.
13.5400 sir.
13.5400, no? Okay. Next, 7 into log 12.
17.3936.
36. 9 into log 15.
24.3720, sir.
Last one. 12 into log 21.
36.5340, sir.
5340. Okay. So in the next page, I'll be writing the normal equations. Okay. So y equal to a e power bx means I'll be writing directly capital Y equal to a plus bx, where a equal to ln a, y equal to ln y. Normal equations. A plus a. How many data points are there?
5, sir.
5. So 5a. So 5a plus b into sigma xi is equal to sigma log yi. Next a into sigma xi plus b into sigma xi square sigma xi into ln y. Can you tell me those values? 5a plus b into what is x sigma xi?
34, sir.
34. So 34b. 34b is equal to what is sigma ln y?
13.2479.
Okay. So 34a plus what is sigma xi square?
300, sir.
300b is equal to what is sigma xi into log a? Log y?
94.1422, sir.
142. Okay, now you got uh, system of linear equations in the variables capital A and capital B. Use your calculator. We get tell me.
2.2486, sir.
And B?
0.0590, sir.
90.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what will be A? A equal to e power A equal to e power 2.2486. What is this value?
9.47 double.
9.47.
Double 4, huh? Therefore, okay, the exponential curve fitting, okay, the required curve is required equation of the curve is exponential curve, okay. Y equal to a e power bx. A means 9.4744 e power bx 0.059 x. Is that fine? So do you understand this procedure. So even if the curve is other than the polynomial, you can bring it to one of the standard form like straight line or parabolic and find out the unknowns. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now look at your syllabus. Okay, in your syllabus under the curve fitting you are having linear curve fitting, which is a straight line, second degree curve, which is parabola, exponential curve, which is y equal to a e power bx, by the method of least squares for the discrete data. Did we cover all these three? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so there are some more types of curves. I would like to mention those curves also. So for that also you can write down the normal equations easily. So just have a make a note of those curves also. They may not come in exams, but better to write down. Okay. So put this aside, other types of other types of curves. Okay. So exponential curve sometimes may be written in this form also. Uh, other types of curves, other types of curve fitting. So now so far we did three. Okay. So yeah, if suppose if the curve is like this, y equal to uh, uh, a b power x. Let us say a b power x. How do you write down the normal equations? Can you tell me? You'll be taking logarithm on both sides, right? Can you tell me the direct step?
Ln A plus Bx.
Log a plus log a plus log a plus log b power x, right? What is log b power x? X log b. Am I right? I'll write it as small letter. Or let me write here small letters only, so that you will have some uniformity. Okay, so this will be log a plus x log b. Do you agree? Okay, so this is in the form y is equal to a plus xb or a plus bx, and you can write down the normal equations, right? You can write down the corresponding normal equations and solve for capital A and capital A. Finally, you find out small a with e power capital A, you find out small b with e power capital A. Am I right? Second one, the curve may be like this, a x power b. The curve is like this, a x power b. Then how do you write? Log y is equal to log a plus b log x. In this case, how do you rewrite? Capital Y equal to a plus bx, a plus bx. Is that fine? Okay. So this is called geometric curve. Okay. So this is called geometric curve. Okay. Some people call this as power curve. and some people also see it as a exponential curve. Okay. Okay, so let us call this as a power curve. Power curve. This one. So also people call it as exponential curve only. This is geometric curve or power curve. Okay, so you transform, okay, the given equation suitably into standard form and write down the normal equation. So with that, your first unit is over. You can see we have completed root finding techniques through bisection, regular false iteration method, Newton-Raphson method. After that, we have seen numerical solutions to system of linear equations through Jacobi and Gauss-Seidel. And after that, we have seen curve fitting through straight line fit, second degree, parabolic fit, and exponential curve fitting. Okay. So next unit is about numerical integration followed by numerical solutions to ordinary differential equations.